Okay, I got the opponent. Are you really 7 down? I can believe you, right? Have a nice game. Wow, play super fast. Any good movie? Nowadays there are many Baduk movie as well. Okay, this time I'm black. And my opponent is white. And it's 1 minute game, I'm so happy. It's a really fast game. My opponent research is really good. But in 7 down, he's winning 2 games and losing 2 games. So I expect he's not using AI, yeah. Okay, I think it's not AI. AlphaGo documentary, Hikaru no Go. In Korea, there were some few Baduk movie as well. Fine. Okay. You even get in there? No, okay, then. Wow. Sequence is very interesting. Getting 3-3 now, really? Are you sure? Fine. Separate. Okay, this fighting is logically not bad for me. He is jumping out 2 groups, I'm jumping out 1 group. Definitely is not bad for me. Even though I just jumped, then he has to keep take care of his 2 head positions. Then how can he do that? Okay, keep jumping, 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 fine. Then, but here is not really okay. Still, he doesn't have 2 eyes. Even 1 eye is haven't confirmed yet. Okay. Oh, you're waiting for the cutting. He played super fast. You can see that, right? And then now he is planning to push here. Then I was waiting. I will separate those groups. Yeah, here is not okay now. You can see that. Okay, he even need to push 1 more step there. And the problem is this group. Naturally, this group is going to be captured. He is starting to use Tetsuji, but it doesn't really help. It's really not helping for him. Not really useful exchange. Oh, he was waiting for this move. Okay, fine. But I already prepared. There is a push and cut. Hi Yuji, how come 11 o'clock? You don't have to sleep now? There is a cutting point. This is a problem. Wow, first game was very long, but now I think second game I can finish in 10 minutes. Okay, he is starting to cut everywhere. Fine, jump away. Let's keep go out to the center. Okay, cut again. Cut again, keep cutting. Is your younger sister or older sister, Yuji? I forgot. If you are preparing for your sister, I guess his younger sister. Oh, you are such a good brother, Yuji. How come? Okay, resign now. Oh, he resigned. How many steps? Younger. Okay, I understand, Yuji. 87 steps. Oh, yeah. First game was so slow, but second game I just finished in, I don't know how many did I spend. How many minutes did I spend? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Okay, let's have a simple review. Oh, but I think beginning when he used the joseki, he knows the AI joseki as well. But just if he pushes here, normally he has to just tenuki, not here. There are two joseki. One is okay, let me change the sequence. If he wanna extend, he has to just play here. When I push out, then he can split there, split. Or if he want to be active, then he can have a pincer and peep here. This is what we are using. And if he decided to push here, then normally white has the tenuki, black has a base, and the white has a base as well. The reason is that black just captures this, then white can take the base at the lower side. Sorry, let me complete the review first. So now after he push and just extend here, then I can catch the sente. Yeah, and then here, I'm not sure how I have to play, but I think white can consider push and attach. Yeah, somehow push and 3 space jump is giving me invasion here, because now this is very close, and even getting in at 3-3 is not right timing. So I can separate those group, and then he just accept to fight here. But you know, when I just jumping out here, I am only getting territory. And now white is very lonely. And even though it was final losing move, he was supposed to just make the sente and then save here. But still black is very happy. Yeah, I cannot take this group again. And now when he just cut here, okay, after this white has no method to save there, and he was waiting for this aji, but still it wasn't ready. Yeah, cut, jump. Yeah, now at the last it doesn't work. Black is faster. Here and this one, and here and capture. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I'm playing on tie jam, Yuji.